Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to win active Instagram followers. So, first of all, you should contact followers with similar niche. For example, if you are a video editor, then you must find a video editor's Instagram and contact their followers and the people who likes on their posts, for example. Or if you are opening a business, for example, you have a restaurant, so you should contact another restaurant's followers. uh, Contacting and especially people who comment on their posts. This will gain active followers because they are interested in a restaurant, so they might be interested in yours. Another tip is create a message which proves the point of your business or your the thing you do. Like, create a message that is decent, not like any other message like check my, for example, and subscribe, like. Don't use that. You should for example, create a message which states, if you want, check my account, and if you like it, give it a follow. It's not like to force someone. They might like it more and check it quicker, and most of the times this work. So, and you can of course copy and paste these messages to your notes and through your DMs. Just copy paste it to as many people as possible. You can do it every day or whenever you want. Another tip is rewards, because people like rewards. For example, if you're opening a new business, for example, a restaurant, as we said, make a voucher or 50% off, etc., or free meal for the ones. Randomly choose between the ones who shared the post. You will be surprised of how many people shared the following, and you can DM people about this voucher or anything you want to give away or reward. Any small rewards. There's loads of rewards to look at Instagram and take from. So, guys, these are the main strategies for growing an audience on Instagram. If you want, check my channel. I do loads of videos and tutorials. So, check it out and see you next time. You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.